hear me. Excellent. Welcome to Talk 915. Are you ready to learn with Teacher Kerry?
Yes, I am.
That is that is fantastic to hear. How are you?
I'm good.
That is wonderful. So you're good. Did you go to school today?
Yes,
Did you have lots of fun at school?
yes.
I'm happy to hear that. Did you do lots of work at school?
Not really. Not really.
Okay, that's good news. And tell me, what is the weather today? Is it sunny, rainy?
Sunny. It's
So
sunny.
okay, so it's sunny. Is it hot, cold, cool, or warm?
It's hot.
Okay, sunny and hot. All right, so Carl, today our today our lesson is called A Taste for Blood. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. So if you look at the picture, what can you see?
A worm?
It does look like a worm, and what do you think the worm's doing?
It's in a finger? Yuck.
Yes, yuck. Okay,
Uh,
so let's go on to the next page and let's get ready to learn some more. Okay, so A Taste for Blood is written by Anthony Curran, and the focus question is what animals drink blood? If you look at the picture, what can you see?
I can see a fish.
Yes. Hmm.
It's look
Okay.
it. I think it lives under the sea.
I think so too. Do you think this fish looks a little bit like a snake?
Yes, it
I do too.
simply does.
Yeah, there we go. So let's go on to the next page and let's look at the words to know. So blood, that's the first word. What color is your blood?
Red.
Did you know that you get other colors of blood?
What?
Not all blood is red. So our blood is
Oh,
red.
I know some is green.
Yes. So humans and most other animals with a backbone have red blood, but spiders, crustaceans like crabs, and some mollusks like oysters and octopuses and squid have blue blood. And some animals like worms and leeches and some ocean worms have green blood. And then some
Mm.
other animals, some other ocean worms um, have purple blood. Do you like
I
what color
like
blood would isn't that amazing? What color blood would you
purple.
like to have? Purple, yes, I think
No,
purple blood.
I think I want blue, but purple is cool too.
Yes. Such cool colors for blood. So not all animals have red blood. Okay, fantastic. The next word is insects. Do you like insects?
Some, I like some of it.
Okay. What insects do you like?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
I like butterflies, I like dragonflies, I like ladybugs, and I like bees. Those are the insects I like.
I
What
like
insects?
flies, bees. Ants are cool.
Ants are, yes, they are. Hard-working
Moth.
ants. Moth. Oh, the mantis.
And the grasshopper.
The cute grasshopper. Excellent. So those are some insects. Beetles, you like beetles as well. So some insects are pretty cool. Some insects are pretty cool. Okay, now the next word that we need to learn is lampreys. So let's look at lampreys. So these are lampreys. What do you think lampreys look like?
Yuck. It's a snake with holes.
Yes, there we go. So those are lampreys. Those would be the gills that they breathe through. They breathe through those holes.
It looks
And
like an eel.
yes, it does. Then the next word is leeches. Have you ever seen a leech?
Leeches. What is a
These are
leech?
so. This
Mm.
is what a leech is. What do you think the leech looks like? I think it looks like a worm.
Mm. I think it looks like a slimy one.
Yes, a slug. Yeah, you're right. It does. It looks like a slug. And the next word is mammals that we need to
We
know.
are mammals.
Yes. What is a mammal?
Mammal is you drink milk from
Yes.
mom and you have a baby. You doesn't have an egg
Yes.
and warm blooded.
Yes. There we go. So all of these animals are mammals, and we are mammals too. And then the last word that we need to know is mosquitoes. Do you like mosquitoes? Do you like mosquitoes?
No,
Why don't you like mosquitoes?
it will bother us
Yes,
with
they yes.
stingness.
Yes, they
I
bite
like
us
it.
and
I like to
and it
fight them.
you get
Bye
lots of
bye bye
different
bye
kinds
bye
of
bye 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 bye
bye
bye
bye, bye bye, bye bye.
bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye.
Fantastic. Mosquito Ninja Fighter. Let's give you a trophy for that. And let's go on to the next page and let us read.
All animals need to eat food for life. Some for some animals, that food is another animal's blood.
And if you look at the
What's
picture,
that?
this is a leech and it sucks blood from the eyeball of a fish.
Fish? A fish? Yeah.
It's sucking blood from the eyeball of a fish. Would you like a leech? That's what I think as well. Let's give you a trophy for that. And
I
let's,
know that feeling.
there we go. Okay, so let us read.
Female mosquitoes drink blood. The less small insect leave words at an inch.
Perfect. Let's say this word one more time. Marks.
Marks.
So mosquitoes find animals to feed on by following their breath. Did you know that?
I don't know. So if you
Okay.
don't breathe, the mosquitoes won't get you.
Do we need to breathe?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, we do. But it's only the female mosquitoes,
Oh,
the girl mosquitoes. It's only the girl mosquitoes that bite us. So only the females bite, causing those red itchy welts on your skin. Do you like itchy skin from a mosquito bite?
no.
I don't. But the reason why the girl or the mom mosquitoes need our blood is they need the blood to develop their eggs, their mosquito eggs. Um, but mosquitoes don't just eat blood, they also feed on nectar. that sweet juice that you get from a flower or honeydew of plants to get sugar. So
Yes.
they so they also eat sugar. There we go. So let's give you a trophy and let's go on to the
And
next page.
fa- some lampreys drink blood. These fish have round mouths full of little teeth.
So a lamprey mane doesn't have jaws, but it has gills like other fish. Can you see the gills? So
Yes,
those are the gills like other fish. A lamprey's mouth can have more than 100 teeth.
but how could they drink blood? Did they stick on someone and grab it?
Yes.
Is it two or one?
Two. It's two
Oh,
of them. And there. So that is that they stick on the fish with their teeth, and that is how they get their blood. So that is lampreys.
attacking
Okay.
it's attacking that fish.
Yes. Yes. So let's give you a trophy and let's go on to the next page and let's read.
Some bats drink blood. These mammals fly out to feed at night.
There we go. And if we look at the picture, a vampire bat gets a meal from a young cow top, and vampire bats have razor sharp teeth. Okay, so let's look. We were talking about the lamprey over here in the previous page. So this is the mouth of the lamprey. Can you see all of those teeth?
Can you count them?
Maybe if I've got a long time, can you count them?
No. When
I
when
think it's
I count to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't want to count too hard.
okay. So now the vampire bat.
Yeah.
Can you see those teeth?
Yes, sharp, too sharp.
They're sharp because they eat
Uh,
blood.
there's a blood out, hang out. You see?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Well, it's their food and they need to eat. So let's give you a trophy and let's go on to the next page and let's read.
Ticket.
Ti-
Ticks.
Ticks.
Ticks drink blood. These spider like animals hide on leaves or grass. They grab into animals that walk past them.
And if we look at the picture, a tick attached to a dog's face fills up with blood. A tick crawls across on animal's fur. So can you see the tick on the dog over there?
Yeah.
And then when it's full of blood, it falls off. Have you ever seen a tick?
No.
Okay, you get two different kinds of ticks. You get a deer tick, also called a black-legged tick, and a dog tick, which is also called a wood tick. Um,
Does it just did this just eat deer and this just eat dog?
no, ticks will eat. will drink blood from anything. But you find the deer ticks in the wild, in the woodlands where the deers live, and that's where they like to live. And then you find the dog tick where you find dogs. So ticks will eat human blood as well. Um,
Then how do they hold them?
they hold on by with their can you see over here their mouths on that one? They've got it's part of their mouth. It's called a
And
mandibles.
I said, how did these people take that take the deer tick? Would it eat the people? Would it sting
Yes,
like people?
yes,
Maybe it's
yes.
fall.
Well, that's why ticks prefer animals. Animals have lots of hair, fur, so they don't fall off that easily. On humans, on us, we don't have that much hair or fur,
Like
so they
this.
can fall off.
Bye bye.
There we go. Ticks don't. Let's just see. Can you see these are the parts of the world where ticks live? So I don't think that you have ticks in China, but it's a big problem in America. It's a big
Oh,
problem in America. So there we go. So this is America, and then China's over here. So it's only this part of China that has ticks. And you also get ticks in Russia and
I
Europe.
am here.
Yes. Okay. So there's no ticks where you live. So you don't have to worry about ticks. Okay, fantastic. So yay, no ticks for Kyle. So let's give you a trophy. And let's go on to the next page. Let's read.
Most leeches drink blood. Their worms live in marshes, rivers, and ponds.
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 If you look at the picture, a leech sucks blood from a human leg, but leeches live in the water. They like the water.
If you if you step in the water, you will got it.
You don't find them in all waters.
But if you step on some and it 1, 2, 3, and you pour out a lot, I am not fishing the leech. I'm not fishing.
but it's okay if you sometimes when I walk at the beach where I live, we've got leeches there, and then they will stick onto me, but you just pull them off. It's very easy to pull them off, and um, it's very they're not. They look a lot like slugs, I think, but they don't hurt. And did you know that a leech has 32 brains?
What?
A leech has 32 brains. Do you think that makes a leech clever?
Yes.
I do too. There we go. So let's give you a trophy for that, and let's read.
One kind of bird drinks blood. The small bird peek at large birds.
And if you look at the picture, a vampire finch drinks blood from the back of a masked booby. Hmm.
It's drinking.
Yes, I've got another picture for you. It's a yucky picture though. Would you like to see it?
Maybe.
Okay. But the birds don't, the boobies, those big birds, they don't mind. The finch doesn't hurt them, and they don't mind. Would you mind if a bird did that to you?
Yes.
I would too. I would too. But the big birds, the boobies, they don't
I'm
mind.
I'm hurt. I will be hurt. But she will not. She will be not.
The vampire finch doesn't hurt the boobies, those big birds. I don't know how. Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
There we go. So let's give you another trophy and let's go on to the next page and let's read.
Be bad bugs. Drink blood. These insects hide in the ground beds.
So a bed bug top can live for more than 1 year without eating, and a
Wow.
bed bug crawls across a human thumb. Have you ever seen a bed bug?
No.
Okay, I've never seen a bed bug either. Um, would you like to see a bed bug in your room?
No.
Why not?
Because it could live. It could live for a long time, right?
Yes, it lives
So
for a long time.
maybe it had been laid a lot of egg. Then I will be attacked by the bed bugs. Oh no!
I
And
didn't think of
when
that.
when I am asleep, when mom walk in, hey, you're dry out. I will be dry
Yes,
out.
yes, that's exactly what happens. They're awake at night, and let me just show you this picture over here. So bed bugs. This is some information about bed bugs. Bed bugs can live without a blood meal for up to 4 months, and
Well, and mm,
their saliva is an anesthetic, so when they bite you, you won't feel it. And they're most active at night, but they can bite in the daytime too. But some people don't react to bed bug bites at all. Some people they don't get itchy or anything from bed bugs. Okay, there we go. So that's bed bugs, and they live for a long time. So let's give you a trophy for that. And let's read.
fleas drink blood. These insects can't fly, but they can jump very far.
If you look at the picture, a flea jumps high over a cat's body. The shape of a flea's body lets it move easily through hair or fur. Have you ever seen a flea?
No, 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 no,
Would you like to see a flea? I've got a
no, no.
picture. Okay, all right. So I've got a picture of a bed bug versus a flea, what they look like. But if you don't want to see the picture, that is perfectly fine. So let's give you a trophy and let's go on to the
I
next
could
page.
see it. I could see it.
Okay, let me just show you the bed bug. So this is how you know whether it's a bed bug or a flea that is biting you. So they look the same, but they look different, and fleas can jump very high. They can jump onto your bed.
Wow,
So they jump very, very high. So that's a bed
very
bug,
cool.
and this is a flea. Can you see these long legs? That's how they can jump so high. But bed bugs just crawl. They don't jump. Okay, perfect. So let's give you another trophy, and let's go on to the next page and let's read.
Animal with a test for blood have for been around for a long time. You won't want to be their next meal.
And the picture, this is a head louse gets caught in the teeth of a comb. Okay, would you like to be around an animal with a taste for blood?
No,
Why not?
it will taste me.
Yes, they will eat you. So here are some blood-eating animals over over here
But
that I can.
I think if I'm around this bird, it will not eat me. It will just eat some kind of bird, I think.
Yes, yes, it won't eat you.
Then
And
I
I
like
don't
that.
think.
Then I like that bird.
Okay, it's a cute bird, and the vampire bat. You like the vampire bat?
No,
No. Why not?
scary, too scary.
It is. I think some of these animals are very scary. There we go. Fantastic. Let me give you your final trophy. It was lovely to see you again, Carl. Thank you so much. We
Uh,
have run
uh,
out of time, but
and
I
we have
hope you get
lot of scary pictures.
lots of scary pictures. But that was so interesting, and thank you for sharing the story with me. Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.